Kaseng United Democratic Party akan tarik urisau Raja Arfui kelarai ban Pynieng kertang tang napok Mawryngkneng bat na Rajabala konstituensi bat akabide bat Mawryngkneng konstituensi nak kaleng jo kaseng kelarai ban Kyrshan ya kandidat jo kaseng NPP uba penyak sing sim uba met ba lengdo presiden jo kaseng habakan bakila partai khubor ulong ban napok Rajabala konstituensi ke UDP kan Pynieng ya ashal dishira ubolong UMDC jo kaseng kongres ashal dishira ulang tangru umli na dukasam ajar khat lai hadu kasam ajar khat pra habedi bakam Mawryngkneng wa men ba ulong ba kaseng ladap pemena Pynieng do ba Eugene Chon lengdo halo kajing ba Pynieng kerteng na pok Mawryngkneng konstituensi uba men ba ulong ba nakaliang kinong ilam do kaseng UDP na pok Mawryngkneng circle kila pensngau shikinong ilam do kaseng bakan Kyrshan ya ba penyak sing sim hani ka election ka bamenta bat nakaliang jongka seng central body ru kala pediang bat kala munjur dia kan dikarai nyong kinong yalam jong ka circle nak tei nepo ke konstituensi nakaliang jong ba met ba lengdo ulapan pauru ba Rajabala kaseng kadon chicken men banjob namar ba ka election MDC ka bladeb apo GHDC kapan pau ba kaseng UDP kelasang masuk thiet biang chapo Gar Hills bat buon kipat ba kil ai Kyrshan ya kan ke parti.
We are pleased to inform you that we had decided with regards to the by-elections in all the three constituencies. Last week we had already announced the name of Sir Eugene Mawryngkneng as our official candidate from the Mawryngkneng constituency. The second one is for the Rajabala 47 Rajabala constituency, where we had also decided and would like to announce today that our official candidate from the 47 Rajabala constituency is Sri Ashehel Dalbot Shira. He is the sitting MDC from the Batabari MDC constituency. He is contesting from our party, and since it's too short of a time to have him here with us, he came late last night. We had to complete all the formalities with regards to all the official matters, procedures which is to be followed, matters related to the party affairs. So we had decided yesterday for his candidature for this Rajabala constituency. Mr. Ashehel Dalbot Shira also would like to announce, and as you are all aware, that he was the MLA from the Rajabala constituency only.
2013.
From 2013 to 2018 as the member of the Legislative Assembly. So that's all for Rajabala and the Mawryngkneng. Now coming to the Mawryngkneng constituency, the circle leaders have suggested that this time they will not field any candidate, and they would like to extend their support as the party to Sri Pynieng Same, who is the sitting MDC and the candidate from the NPP ticket. So, as the party at the state level, we have endorsed the decisions taken by the circle level, and we'll also like to announce that we will not be putting any official candidate from the party in the Mawryngkneng constituency. So therefore, the support will be extended to Sri Pynieng Same. Before you ask any question why we are supporting about Pynieng, I would like to inform you that since the local leaders have decided, because of different issues and different development activities within the constituency, therefore, we also feel that it will be appropriate for us to extend the support to him and not to feel any candidate.